Hi, my name is Avery, and today I'm going to be making a crepe for cultural night. I'm mixing it all together. Okay. This is my crepe batter. 1 cup of flour, 1.5 cup milk and water, 2 tablespoons butter, and 2 eggs. And now I'm going to cook the crepe. My crepe mixture to the pan. And you're gonna lightly twirl this. Twirl. Oh god, it's out of the camera. Twirl this around. It's not covering the whole thingy, so we're gonna have to put a little bit more. There we go. Oh no. This is my completed crepe, and now we're gonna make the filling for it. My filling for the crepe, I added 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, one and a half, what was, I don't know, I just added powdered sugar to it, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/3 cup of French vanilla creamer. This is my completed crepe, and now we're gonna try it. It's good. Thank you for watching my video.